Now let's explore it from a leader's perspective. Just like employees, leaders also access the system through the same secure login page. Simply enter your leader employee code and password, then click Login. Let me show you how a leader logs in with an example. In the employee code field, enter your leader code. Here we're using lead 001 as an example. Notice how leader codes typically start with lead to identify management level access. Next, enter your password in the second field. It's securely masked with dots to protect your credentials. Once both fields are filled, simply click the Login button to access your leader dashboard. Once logged in, leaders see their personalized dashboard similar to employees but with their own data and team overview. Notice the menu button in the top left corner, highlighted here. This is where leaders access all their features. When you open the menu, you'll notice leaders have access to all the same options as employees: dashboard, my leaves, salary, attendance, performance, and profile. But here's the key difference. Leaders have one additional powerful feature, the approvals section, highlighted here in red. This is where the real leadership functionality comes in. When any team member applies for leave, it appears in this approvals section for the leader to review. In the Leave Approvals section, the Pending Approvals table displays all the essential details about your team members' leave requests. The table shows 7 columns: employee name, Ranbir Singh, email, not applicable, leave type, SEAL, casual leave, start date, October 16, 2025, end date, October 16, 2025, reason, and applied date, October 6, 2025. On the far right in the Actions column, you'll see the Review button highlighted here with a red arrow. When you click the Review button, a Process Leave Request dialog box appears with complete details about the leave application. At the top, there's an important note: employee email, not applicable, meaning an email notification will be sent to this address upon approval or rejection. The most crucial section is Leader Remarks, highlighted here with a red arrow. This your remarks field is mandatory. Leaders must provide their comments explaining the decision, whether approving or rejecting the request. At the bottom, there are 3 action buttons: cancel to close without action, reject request in red to deny the leave, and approve request in green to grant approval. Your remarks will be included in the email notification to the employee, ensuring transparent communication about the decision. To approve the leave request, the leader must first fill in the Your Remarks section. This is a mandatory field. In this example, we've entered approved as the remark. Leaders can write any feedback or comments here, such as approved for personal reasons, please ensure handover is complete, or simply approved is shown. And then click on the Approve Request button. Just like employees, leaders also have a secure logout feature in the top right corner of the screen. Notice the leader's name, Pankaj Kumar, displayed at the top right, highlighted here with a red arrow. When you click on this name button, a drop-down menu appears showing 2 options: Profile and Logout. The Logout button, circled here, allows leaders to securely end their session when they're finished managing their team and reviewing approvals. And that's it. After clicking the Logout button, the session is completely and securely logged out, bringing us back to the login page. We've completed our comprehensive tour of the Regal Kitchen Foods employee portal from a leader's perspective. Thank you.